Hello, this time we're going to try a tiny test of composite shapes. So, like all tiny tests, you try it first and then see how you go. So, a composite shape is a shape that's made up of two shapes or more that have been either added together or one subtracted from the other. So, let's have a look at question 1. Hopefully you've tried it first before you're trying it now. So, we've got two shapes here. We've got one rectangle there and one rectangle there. So let's do them as two rectangles. So I've got area 1. Rectangle is base times height. So we've got 3 times 2. That's the two sides there. So 3 times 2, which is, 3 times 2, which is 6. So we'll worry about the units later. Let's put the units on the end. The second one is the second rectangle there. So the base times height, you can see it's 4 times 2, which gives us 8. Now the total is the two areas together, so A1 and A2 together. So we go 6 plus 8, which is 14, and the units we're dealing with is centimeters squared. Still area, so we still need to square it. So hopefully you got that. Okay, let's do this next one. So, as it's a tiny test, you should have paused and tried it yourself first. So we've got two shapes here. We seem to have a triangle and, a rectangle and a triangle. Slightly darker. So a rectangle and a triangle, A1 and A2. Now our rectangle, let's do our A1 first. That's our rectangle. It's base times height. So where's our base? Where's our height? There's lots of numbers happening here. So what's the length? It's just that bit there. The 14's written there, but that doesn't seem to be applying to just the distance that I've shown on that arrow. That 14 is going all the way along. So which is the bit that's just going across there? It's the 6 here. That's the base, or the width, if you want to think about it that way. So it's 6 times, what's the height? How far up and down have we got? That's easier to see. That's the 5. So 6 5s are 30. We've done our A1. Now our A2 is a triangle. Now we need, again, we need the base. So here's the base, and we need the height of the triangle. Now the base is looking a bit tricky. So it's not drawn to scale, this picture, but we've got here that it's 14. I'll put it in a different color. 14 goes from here all the way across to there. And then remember, you can see here 6 goes from there all the way across to there. So this little bit that's left over, let's use a different color. This bit here is the base of the triangle, and it's the difference between 14 and 6. So what do I need to, if I take 6 away from 14, I'm left with 8. So this bit is 8 centimeters long. Okay, so I've got my base is 8. My height is the same as the height I had before, which was 5. That makes it a bit easier. So let's do this question. We're going to do base is 8, height is 5. It's a triangle, so I need to divide it by 2. 5 8's 40 divided by 2 is 20. So now I need to do my total. Bring my two areas together. 30 plus 20 is equal to 50, and it's 50 centimeters squared. Hope you got it.